Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So you guys know that I like to keep you up to date in everything new in the car detailing world, and today I'm presenting two new products that are making headlines, and these are Griot's Garage Boss Foaming System products. So they're made for maintenance washes of your vehicles and they're pretty awesome. So we're going to be talking about the foaming surface wash and also the foaming polygloss. So again, two new products by Griot's Garage. You're going to learn everything about them, and of course, you're going to see them in action. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'll be talking about two new products from Griot's Garage, and they're part of the Boss Foaming System. So what exactly are they? Well, the first one is the foaming surface wash. So essentially this gently lifts and releases contaminants, maintaining a best of show finish, meaning that this is a pre-wash. So in the pre-wash stage, you use this soap in combination with your foam cannon. You spray this on the vehicle. You let it dwell anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And this is going to help to lift and encapsulate any loose dirt and contaminants that are on top of your paint before you go ahead and rinse away. And this will help minimize the chances of swirls and scratches during your wash stage. So this promises lots of things, and if we have a look at the label in the back, the cool thing that I like about this product is that it's pH balanced, so that's always a good thing, and it's good for waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. So as you all know, I love ceramic coatings. I have 3 layers of that on my vehicle, and it's not obvious to find maintenance products that are good for ceramic coatings, and this one is. And it's also compatible with traditional waxes and paint sealants, so it's good for any type of paint protection item. So also in the back, they say that it rids the surface of abrasive particles to help prevent wash-induced scratches and swirls, and it has a dual layer foam formula that extends the dwell time and enhances the cleaning action. So a lot of promises from this product. We're going to see it in action. One of my viewers sent me these products a while back when they were first released, about a month or 2 ago, I think. So I've been using them ever since, and I like them so much that, well, I bought new bottles because I just can't stop using them. So I'm vetting for these products, and of course, I'm going to tell you why. Now, the second item in the Boss Foaming System is the foaming polygloss. Now, this is meant as a super concentrated thick snow foam that delivers intense gloss and durable protection. So what they promised is that it will enhance the gloss and add some sort of protection. And again, if we read the label in the back, well, it says that it enhances gloss, surface slickness, and provides durable protection, meaning UV protection. It extends water-beating properties of existing waxes, sealants, and coatings. So again, this is very versatile. So you can use it on your traditional waxes and paint sealants, but you can also use it on ceramic coated vehicles. So I love that. And there is a water shedding ability that reduces drying time and keeps your vehicle cleaner for longer. So this is the follow-up step. So once you're done pre-rinsing your vehicle with the surface wash, well then you go ahead, if it's very dirty, you do your normal contact wash with your favorite microfiber wash mitt and your favorite car soap. And then once you're done rinsing that, well, before you dry, you're going to apply this foaming polygloss to enhance the properties of whatever paint protection product you have on your vehicle. So this product we're going to review in part 2, which by the way, I'll link up here for you guys to check it out. And I'll also, guys, leave the links to these products in the description down below for you guys to check them out. You can order them on Amazon and have them delivered super fast. So they're readily available, but I'm warning you, they go away fast. These things are selling like crazy, and I understand why. A quick note, by the way, guys, these are maintenance products. So they're made to be used during maintenance washes for enthusiasts or professionals who take care of their vehicles. So like in my case, I like to wash my car once or twice a week. So these are perfect for that. It's only lightly soiled, so it's not that dirty. So they're perfect for that kind of an application. So yes, the surface wash is a great pre-wash cleaner, but if your car is very heavily soiled, you'll have to follow that up with a contact wash with your favorite wash mitt and your favorite soap. So to give you an idea of the soil level of my vehicle, let me bring you in closer and let's have a look at the state of things. So I first started by cleaning the wheels. So those are done separately, but now let's have a look at the paint itself. So here on the front bumper, we can see some bugs and some bug guts. So I don't think the surface wash is going to remove that, obviously, but any light dirt or soiling, it should take care of with no problem. So as I said, the vehicle is pretty clean, but you can still see here it's been through a couple of rainy days, so there is some dirt. We don't have to pre-rinse this according to the instructions. We simply spray the pre-wash directly on the vehicle. We let it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we wash using a pressure washer. So again, you can see here, so there's a light layer of dust and dirt on the vehicle, a couple of water spots. So again, you can see this vehicle has been driven in the rain and is lightly dirty. So we'll see how good these Griot's Garage Boss foaming system products are. Okay, so in my foam cannon container, this is my MTM PF22 foam cannon. I currently have 18 ounces of water, to which I'll be adding 2 ounces of the foaming surface wash. So I go ahead and take a measuring cup and I'll measure 2 ounces. So it comes with this awesome spout at the end, so you can measure your product and quantify it correctly. So I'm pouring 2 ounces of this in the measuring cup, and then you simply add it to your foam cannon container. Then I'm going to close the foam cannon up, give it a good shake, and that's it. You're good to go. So let's go ahead and do the pre-wash on the vehicle. Man, this is pretty awesome. It's creating some very thick and rich foam. It smells like pina colada, so super nice for the experience while detailing. But let me zoom in and show you guys just how thick this is. It's nuts. So just look how thick this thing is. Look at all the dirt that's being lifted off the paint and just falling off into this pool of shaving cream thick like foam. I'm always amazed by this. This is one of the best pre-wash soaps I have ever used. Look at all the dirt and grime that's in this foam here that's being lifted off the surface and flushed away from the vehicle. That's pretty awesome. All right, so I let the foam dwell on the paint for roughly 10 minutes, and now it's time to rinse. All right, so we're done rinsing the vehicle. Let me bring you guys in. This product did, again, such an awesome job. Like, man, even the majority of the bugs and bug guts are gone, thanks to, of course, the action of the soap and of the pressure washer. But man, there's almost nothing left here. This is pretty clean. I'm OCD, so I'm still gonna follow it up by the contact wash. But I mean, I could stop right there and just dry it and I'd be fully satisfied. Look at this. Everything's clean. It clinged on to the surface. It worked really well, flushed away all the dirt and contaminants that were loose. So imagine what the follow-up product, the polygloss foam, will do. But man, again, this is so clean now. I mean, you guys saw it. Look at this. There's nothing left. The surface is already pretty clean. Let's look at the back bumper here. All the water spotting's gone. Man, I'm telling you, this got it to like 90-95% clean. So guys, a quick reminder, I'm going to drop the links in the description down below for the products that I'm presenting in this video. Also, if you enjoyed my video, smash the thumbs up button to show me your support, and make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.